लास वेगस के कसिनोज भूल जाओ, आपको दिल्ली की कार्ड पार्टी देखनी चाहिए दिवाली के टाइम पे। 1000 करोड़ से ज्यादा सर्कुलेट होता है थ्रू 20 illegal syndicates during Diwali week alone. BMWs, bungalows, everything is on the table. In fact, one farmhouse in Sainik Farms had 5 lakh rupees की minimum entry. और अगर आप यहाँ पे लंबा टाइम स्पेंड कर चुके हो, तो you know exactly what I'm talking about. We all know that one friend जो रात के 2 बजे UPI यूज करना शुरू कर देगा because कैश खत्म हो गया, लेकिन ईगो नहीं खत्म हुई। Ego can't walk out when the chips are down, no. Because you'd rather owe money to your friends than admit you're broke. The cards are just a format. The real betting is of identity. And that table is the theater where everybody rehearses who they want to be seen as. But क्या आपने कभी सोचा दिवाली पे कार्ड्स खेलते क्यों हैं? Namaste, I'm Trisha and this is day 5 of the Festival of Fun where I decode how every Indian state spends during the festival season. Diwali gambling started with goddess Parvati playing cards with Shivji. वो obviously जीत गई, so she said कि जो भी दिवाली नाइट पे कार्ड्स खेलेगा, they'll be blessed with prosperity all year long. This was the blessing. But Delhi mein that blessing has scaled into casinos with crores worth of chips in a single night. Delhi runs on performance. Everything from your clothes to your cars is an audition for where you belong or where you want to belong. And the Diwali card party condenses the entire city-wide performance into one night. I genuinely think these card games are Delhi's annual caste system. Who gets to throw big bets? Who gets to take risks? Who pretends to be in control when they're literally just one whiskey away from bankruptcy? See, पार्वती जी ने कहा था कि कार्ड्स खेलो फॉर लक, बट इन दिल्ली वी आर प्लेइंग कार्ड्स टू लॉन्डर आवर लक। सब सोचा है भाई, दिल्ली लीड्स द कंट्री इन क्रेडिट कार्ड स्पेंडिंग ड्यूरिंग दिवाली, 24% हायर देन द नेशनल एवरेज। ये दिवाली कार्ड पार्टीज इसीलिए इतनी एडिक्टिव है, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ गैम्बलिंग, बिकॉज ये दिल्ली का फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है where you pretend you are richer, bolder and luckier than you actually are. But what happens when the bill arrives in Jan? Share this with your Delhi friends and follow me because tomorrow I am covering your state.